Good morning, dear students. Let's start tangents and normals. Students, here we have important key points related to the topic. First is, if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Students, suppose if two roads are parallel, then their slopes must be equal. So, in this way, we get this result: if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Second one is if two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes is -1. Suppose students, if we have two lines and the two lines make 90-degree angle together, in this way slope of first line is 2 and the slope of second line, suppose we have -1/2. And if we do the product of these two slopes, then we get answer -1. So students, in this way, if two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slope is -1. Third one is, if a line is parallel to the x-axis, then its slope is 0. Suppose students, if we draw lines x-axis and y-axis and make a line that is parallel to the x-axis. So students, in this way, the slope of this line is 0. And we can also say that this line is parallel to x-axis as well as perpendicular to the y-axis. So students, in this way, slope is 0. Now here is fourth part. If a line is parallel to the y-axis, that means if we draw a line which is parallel to the y-axis, then its slope is not defined. Students, we can also say that if the line is perpendicular to the x-axis, then its slope is not defined. So students, in this way, these are really very important points which you have to remember, and we will use these in further questions. Now student, here we have exercise 6.3, question number 13. Find the points on the curve at which the tangents are parallel to the x-axis. Students, हमें given curve पर हमें points find करने हैं जिस पर tangent क्या होंगे, parallel होंगे x-axis. ओके, बट स्टूडेंट्स आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं x²/9 प्लस y²/16 इज इक्वल्स टू 1 इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ इलिप्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख सकते हैं दिस इज द इलिप्स एंड हेयर द मेजर पार्ट इज ऑन y एक्सिस. सो in this way we make ellipse in this form. Here major part is on y axis and minor part is on x axis. But student, हमें बताना है at which the tangents are parallel to the x axis. हमें ये points को find करना है. So student, let's start by the working rule. Here we have the given curve and we have to differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of y² is 2y dy over dx and 1/16 remain as it is. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of minus x² is -2x. So students, in this way here we get 1/16 into 2y into dy over dx is equals to -2x/9. But students, we need to find slope. So 2y/16 taken to the right hand side in the denominator. 2 to 2 will cancel out. In this way we get dy over dx -16/9 x/y. So students, in this way we get the slope -16/9 x/y. But student, here we have case 1. Case 1 is when tangent is parallel to the x-axis. So here we use the result that slope of tangent must be 0. In this way we put dy over dx is equals to 0, -16/9 x/y is equals to 0. In this way we get x is equals to 0. But we need to find the points. So students, if a line touches the curve at a single point and that point of contact is common to both line and the curve. So students, we put x is equals to 0 in the curve. In this way we get y² is equals to 16 and we get y is equals to ±4. So students, in this way we get the points 0, 4 and 0, -4. Now students, here we have the second part. Second part is the when tangent is parallel to the y-axis. So students, I have already explained you about the ellipse. This make a ellipse, and now we have to find the equation of tangents that are parallel to the y-axis. So in this way, slope is not defined. So we will write dy over dx is equals to infinity. Infinity, that is, we put 1 over 0. By doing cross multiplication, we get y is equals to 0. Now students, put y is equals to 0 in the equation of curve. We get the value x is equals to plus minus 3. That's really very easy to solve. So students, in this way we get the answer. The points at which the tangent is parallel to the y-axis are 3, 0 and minus 3, 0. Student, this is very important question, so do its practice. Now here we have question number 15. Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y is equals to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the given line. Here we have to find the equation of the tangent, and that is parallel to the given line. Students, suppose if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. So in this way we need to find the slope of the line, and we use this slope as the slope of tangent. So student, let's start. Here y is equals to x square minus 2x plus 7, and its derivative is 2x minus 2. So students, here we have the slope 2x minus 2, but we need to find the slope of the given line. In this way, do its derivative. We have two formula. You can find the derivative to get the slope, otherwise you will write dy over dx is equals to minus coefficient of x over coefficient of y. So students, in this way we get the slope. Yes students, you can also write here. You can see y is equals to mx plus c, where m is the slope. This is the alternative way, but a very simple way is that dy over dx is equals to minus coefficient of x over coefficient of y. In this way we get directly the slope of the line. So students, you can equate the dy over dx is equals to 2, and here slope is 2x minus 2. From equation first we get x is equals to 2. Now students, it's time to find the value of y. For that, put x is equals to 2 in the equation of curve. We get square of 2 minus 2 into 2 plus 7. In this way we get 7. Now students, here we get the point 27, and the slope is 2. Now students, we know that equation of line at point and given slope is y minus y1 is equals to slope x minus x1. So here we put the point 2 and 7 at the place of x1 and y1, and put the slope 2, and in this way, by calculating this by multiplying 2x minus 4 and taking all the terms to the left hand side, we get the required result. This is the required equation of tangent. Now students, here we have the second part of 15th question. Same. Find the equation of tangent line to the curve which is perpendicular to the given line. And we know that if two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes is minus 1. So students, we know that slope of tangent is dy over dx 2x minus 2. We have already find this one. Now find the slope of this line. In this way we get slope of this line by using the formula dy over dx is equals to minus coefficient of x is minus 15 divided by coefficient of y is 5. In this way we get the slope as 3. So this is very easy method to get the slope. Now these two lines are perpendicular to each other, then you can see that slope of tangent into slope of line is equals to minus 1. In this way we get the slope minus 1 over 3. Now students, here we get the slope minus 1 over 3. Now we need to find the next point. Here we have dy over dx is equals to minus 1 by 3, and put the slope 2x minus 2 is equals to minus 1 by 3. In this way, by calculating this, we get x is equals to 5 over 6. But student, if you have to find the equation of tangent, you need one point and the slope. Here we have slope and we need to find the point. So students, हम यहाँ 5 over 6 value निकाल चुके हैं एब्सिसा की. Now put this value of x and y. So in this way we get in the curve x squared minus 2x plus 7, put 5 over 6, we get on calculating 217 over 36. Now students, here we get the point as well. So it's time to find the equation of tangent passing through the given point and having slope minus 1 over 3. So students, put these values, and by taking LCM and cross multiplication, you can evaluate this in very easy form. In this way, we get the required equation of tangent 36y plus 12x minus 227. So students, hopefully आज के questions आपको समझ में आए होंगे. That's really very easy method to calculate the slope of an equation. And here we need to find the equation of tangent. And here I am sharing you the 3 questions. So students, do more and more practice. If you like my video, then share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.